This is YETI can insulator. Whoever invented this, I'd say that this guy is a genius. So first let's check the material or the goodies. So it is dishwasher safe and made in the food grade, I mean that's kitchen grade 18.8 stainless steel, and it's insulated and no sweat design. And it says the last sip is as fresh as the first. This is exactly how it works. So basically, let's check it out what's inside. And it comes with a can, and you can put your own stuff inside, no matter cold or hot. And put a cap on and put it into the insulator. Take wherever you want to take. And when you get there, you take this one out and start a drink. But the most convenient way to use this is when you get your drink. You know, when you take it out from the fridge, the first sip is great. The more you drink, and just not that cold anymore, so it tastes bad. But you just put this one in and put this little cup on, and just like this, you see that you just take it wherever you want to take, or even just drink like this, right? You open this and you just drink until the last sip. It's still freshing. I'd say that this is a very good tool. I mean, everybody should have this one. And they also have the longer version that if you want to drink some bigger cans that you can fit that in. Perfect design, perfect stuff. And the whole thing is like a normal room temperature, but here it's so cold. Alright, hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.